Open the dough, lay it soft and wide. In a greased dish, let it gently slide. Spread barbecue sauce with a sweet little glaze, setting the mood for delicious days. Cheddar melting, golden glow, onions dancing nice and slow. Chicken pizza, oh what a dream. Layers of love in everything. Cooked chicken, parsley, green, bacon sizzling, rich cuisine. Cheeselet, egg so neatly laid into the oven, masterpiece made. Boiled egg shining, perfectly sliced, every flavor balanced and nice. Heat it up, let the magic flow. Watch that beauty rise and glow.